Hi, welcome back to Rainey Dewey's Art Spot. Here is another installment in the Sketchbook Masterpiece series. This time I'm focusing on drawing horses in a landscape. Now, this landscape is really small. I do have a tendency to paint and draw pretty small, but until I get some new glasses, I may have to lay off that. But so I'm working this time also in the Strathmore Bristol Smooth Sketchbook. You can see the actual size of the sketch here. It's all finished. It's sort of a repeat of the techniques that I use, which is layering. I'll layer using an H or a hard pencil over a soft or vice versa, depending on the technique or the texture that I'm after. This little drawing serves also as a value sketch. Now this one was difficult because, well, the reference photo that I used had two horses. Now I could have made up a third horse, but right now I'm just trying to learn how to draw shapes that say horse, insert them into a landscape. And so you'll see it in the actual sketch that I wasn't sure whether I was gonna put them closer together and overlap them, which I did not do. They were actually separate when I snapped the reference photo in the field, so I sort of stuck with that. But the challenge then was, I've got this, I'm trying to get my values to draw the viewer's eye in. Now I've got two dark spots here that are the horses. I've got the cast shadow from this tree. And truthfully, the value pattern doesn't hold up as interesting or captivating. So in that sense, I'm not sure how successful it is. What I could have done after the fact is intensify all of the dark values so it doesn't look like two dark spots right here and a dark spot here and a dark spot here. So these things that we're doing in this Sketchbook Masterpiece series are simply to teach ourselves and to learn and to find ways to design the space that we're working with. So let me get out of your way and grab your sketchbook, grab your pencils, and let's get going on Sketchbook Masterpiece number 4, drawing a horse in a landscape. Trying to draw a horse in a landscape. I hope it looks like a horse in a landscape.
When we're backstage, we'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna quit my job. Never wanna have no bars. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. Oh, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. in the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh,
Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love